嗱，今日咧稍後接住嚟咧都會有好多唔同嘅文化活動啦，有唱歌啦，有跳舞啦，咁啊稍後時間仲會有抽獎添。不過而家咧我哋要做一樣好重要嘅嘢，咁啊呢個時間咧我哋咧會進入呢個嘉賓致辭嘅儀式嘅。咁喺呢度請用熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎澳洲墨爾本天后宮會長曾耀榮會長為我哋致歡迎辭，有請曾會長。
Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. William Zhang, President of the Heavenly Queen Temple Society Melbourne, to say a few words.
今日雖然天氣差少少，但係我哋風雨不改，嚟到大家一齊熱烈咁樣同天后媽祖賀壽，慶祝我哋天后寶誕嘅來臨。各位來賓、各位社團領袖、政府官員以及會員、善信、顧問，今日我係代表墨爾本天后宮喺度熱烈咁樣歡迎大家今日嚟臨我哋御善堂同埋會展堂嚟參加慶祝天后寶誕。今日高朋滿座，舊有新知，我喺度想特別感謝能夠造成今日嘅慶祝活動嘅所有義工，包括特別係我哋廚房嘅義工，煮出所有今日嘅美食俾大家。咁啊，第日一陣大家試下我哋嘅佛跳牆啦。咁啊，如果大家喜歡呢，以後每年啊，我哋都會整鮑參翅肚或者佛跳牆俾大家，俾阿婆俾大家食。你話好唔好？咁啊，另外我想感謝除咗感謝義工，就係感謝過去一年啦，所有幫忙我哋墨爾本天后嘅義工，我哋嘅新年嗰陣啊，翁孟如啊、陳金水太太啊，去幫我哋賣食物啦、賣嗰啲紀念品啦，所有都係捐俾個廟，佢每年都係咁樣做啊！喺度多謝陳金水太太同埋翁孟如先生。咁啊，特別要多謝陳金水太太啦，因為今日佢特登幫我手去攞6隻乳豬翻嚟，咁啊風雨不改。如果唔係佢咧，咁啊大家今日都冇乳豬食噶啦。咁啊喺過去一年，我哋天后廟就繼續推廣天后嘅精神。我哋就喺Springwell 啊，有一間叫做媽祖湄洲媽祖廟，咁佢個負責人係阿 Ron Lim。咁啊，因為阿 Ron 啦，佢年紀大咗啦，咁佢又話叫我哋派人落去接管，幫佢打理。我話冇問題啊，除咗幫你全權接管，我哋仲幫你買埋嗰個物業嗰間廟。咁我哋就會改名叫做史賓威天后廟。咁啊，好感謝阿 Ron Lim 喺買完之後，佢仲再捐翻20萬俾我哋史賓威天后廟，作為以後重建之用。多謝 Ron Lim。咁我哋會稍為儲啲錢，可能3-5年後，我哋就會將佢重建成為一間古色古香嘅天后廟，好似 Footscray 咁樣。當然係規模細啲啦，前面亦都會有一個石雕牌樓。咁喺我哋接管之後，亦都得到好多位善心人士，包括我喺度想感謝簡華會嘅杜兆漢會長、林瑞芬、黃壯先生、林陽先生，佢哋幫我哋揾義工或者做義工，使到史賓威天后廟好快就能夠穩定落嚟。咁啊，多謝佢哋嘅熱心奉獻。咁啊，嚟緊呢個農曆新年呢，我哋多數會可能舉行一個天后媽祖出巡喺 Springwell 嗰度。咁啊，帶領我哋依家可能訂緊一座轎，到時呢就會抬媽祖出巡去到史賓威嘅農曆新年嘅慶祝活動個檔攤。 咁啊，到時我就一定係會揾阿 Ron Lim 帶頭啊、帶隊啊 ，Ron Lim 你記住啊，好。咁啊，至於 Footscray 呢邊呢，我哋亦都繼續為墨爾本天后宮去建設。大家頭先行入嚟都睇到右手邊有一個長廊已經封咗頂，我哋正在鋪緊琉璃瓦，預計喺3-5個月之間，多數喺9月、10月就會落成。我哋到時就會舉行盛大嘅開幕儀式。除咗長廊，亦都有2支巨大嘅龍柱，係好似我哋仿故宮前面有2條華表。如果你有去過叫故宮，你都見到啦。前面到時牌樓左邊、右邊有2條巨大嘅華表。地基已經做好啦，從無泥都倒好啦。嗰條華表可能下個月就會運嚟 Melbourne， 到時我哋就會立即將佢樹立。華表同埋長廊將會一齊開幕，盛大嘅開幕儀式。除咗呢個長廊，我哋喺天后主殿後邊亦都正在即將動工興建一個龐大嘅觀音殿。呢個觀音殿係比主殿稍為細少少。咁啊，好感謝好多善信喺過去1年啦，就開始認捐喺觀音主殿嘅項目。我依家就稍為讀出嚟所有主要嘅功德主俾大家聽，趁呢個機會，趁天后寶誕。咁啊，首先我喺度非常咁樣感謝我哋天后宮榮譽會長鄭棉發先生，佢就認捐咗俾我哋天后宮60萬。好感謝阿鄭先生，不過雖然佢冇嚟，佢個公子阿鄭生有嚟啊，多謝阿鄭生。咁啊，佢認捐60萬係認捐嗰個觀音像、觀音殿前面2條石雕龍柱、2條石雕鳳柱，同埋長廊左邊所有36條嘅紅色嘅柱。到時佢個家族嘅子孫每人1條柱刻喺個長廊嗰度。咁啊，右邊個長廊仲有好多紅色嘅柱，大家可以認捐嘅。同埋佢亦都係認捐1條石雕華表。咁第2位嘅功德主，我係要好感謝阿黎卓先生，阿 Jackie 啊，一向都係支持我哋嘅廟。佢同太太咁啊，佢啊認捐咗入邊一個觀音殿主殿入邊嘅月老像。咁啊 Jackie 唔單止支持我哋嘅廟，佢每年啊，大家年30晚睇到我哋半夜放煙花，都係阿 Jackie 認捐嘅。多謝阿 Jackie， 好高興你嚟到，一人記住食佛跳牆。咁啊，仲有跟住啊，感謝陳金水太太一家人，佢啊認捐咗觀音殿入Jackie 係5萬蚊。咁啊，另外仲有啊陳金水太太亦係5萬蚊，佢就認捐咗主殿入邊嘅黃大仙像。咁啊，多謝啊陳金水太太。咁另外仲有一位善信，佢啊姓趙嘅何鳳儀、趙金榮，佢又捐俾我哋天后宮10萬蚊。佢係認捐主殿入邊2條主柱，仲有一個供台。感謝何鳳儀女士。咁啊，之後仲有馬世元會長，佢亦都捐俾我哋天后宮6萬蚊。佢係認捐前面1條華表，以及12生肖嘅老鼠嘅生肖嘅噴水池。之後就我好感謝 潮州會嘅副會長郭月龍生以及佢太太，佢亦都係認捐6萬蚊。佢係認捐入邊2條主柱。咁啊，仲有一位林美玲女士，佢亦都係認捐觀音前面嘅一張石公台3萬蚊。仲有啱啱阿鄭元烈先生 Happy Reception 嘅鄭元烈先生，咁啊好感謝佢作出無私嘅奉獻，去捐俾我哋嘅廟5萬蚊。多謝你啊，鄭生，佢係認捐。我哋你睇到天后宮主殿上面有2條龍嘅雙龍珍珠嘅屋頂嘅龍。喺觀音殿呢，將會係2條鳳，係雙龍迎珠，唔係雙鳳迎珠。咁啊，多謝阿鄭先生認捐呢2條鳳，將會係非常美麗。我相信可能成個 Melbourne 都冇2條鳳喺屋頂。咁啊，仲有劉麗珠就認捐2萬蚊，一個滴水觀音前面個石雕像。仲有劉玉婷，亦都係認捐另外一個石雕嘅滴水觀音2萬蚊。仲有黃友培、何樹華合家係捐中間嗰個火龍珠，一共係15000蚊。仲有劉玉賢，佢係捐前面一張石供台係25000蚊。仲有好多前面嘅石雕。包括杜平太太，感謝你啊，認捐2000蚊。仲有藍國強合家認捐3000蚊，係前面嘅石雕。黃允景、陳允認捐3000蚊。柯慧儀認捐3000蚊。鄭如認捐3000蚊。許正道認捐3000蚊，前面嘅石雕。所有呢啲捐款加上嚟過去1年，全部係超過100萬，大約105萬。我喺度僅代表墨爾本天后宮非常非常咁樣感謝你哋嘅無私奉獻。將來呢個觀音殿，我相信亦都係會韻美前面嘅主殿。多謝各位。咁就喺即將長廊落成，即將華表落成，即將動工後邊嘅觀音殿嘅時候，我亦都已經為墨爾本天后宮計劃緊下一個龐大嘅工程。喺澳洲 Sydney 嘅 Darling Harbour 旁邊有一座美麗嘅中國花園，叫做怡園。喺我哋 Melbourne 幾十年嚟都未有一座稍為具規模以及好近市中心嘅中國花園。但係喺不久嘅將來，喺 Melbourne 嘅 Maribyrnong River 嘅河畔天后宮旁邊，將會有一座同樣美麗嘅中國花園。我哋會叫佢做天池。顧名思義，天池就係一個巨大嘅金魚池，亦係一個荷花池、蓮花池。而中國花園嘅重要元素包括亭台樓閣、菊竹梅蘭、琴棋書畫，全部會有齊喺入邊。同時仲會有一隻石雕龍房。同時亦都會有石雕嘅龍房，喺龍房上面將會有一個美麗嘅五彩樓。另外，呢個係我哋嘅規劃嘅中國花園，佢會喺嗰個念親堂嘅後邊，亦都係頭先你哋行入嚟嗰一笪大笪嘅土地，一路由長廊起到去後邊火車路。亭係叫做亭係一個五彩亭， 台係一個伸出去天池嘅台，上面將會樹立一座12米高嘅石雕觀音像。我哋會做一個石雕觀音像，使去千秋萬世，永遠都係陪伴喺守護喺我哋墨爾本天后宮。至於樓係一個5彩嘅雙層樓，係會起喺一隻石雕龍房上面。呢個樓我哋係將會安放中國嘅萬世師表孔子一個雕像喺入邊，以及一個儒家嘅圖書館。到時落成儒道佛3大影響我哋中華文化幾千年嘅中華文化，所有呢3大代表人物將會全部匯聚喺墨爾本天后宮。同時呢個5彩嘅雙層樓喺隻龍房上面，係仿北京圓明園。依家你睇到圓明園有隻石房，同埋上面嘅西洋樓係以前慈禧太后重建嘅，係最早嘅係一隻石雕嘅龍房，係上面有一個5彩樓，係俾八國聯軍燒咗。我哋係會根據以前嘅圖片，重新再起呢隻石雕房以及一個5彩樓，使到我哋曾經喺中國歷史消失嘅一間美麗嘅建築，再次重現喺墨爾本天后宮。至於閣就係會係一個金頂嘅閣，係一個茶室，亦都係一個茶餐廳。到時大家你可以坐喺嗰度嘆茶，欣賞天池嘅景色。同時就會再加上九曲橋、拱橋，同埋種好多楊柳樹、竹林。我深信我頭先所講嘅絕對唔係海市蜃樓，亦都唔係天方夜譚，係的確好肯定可以完成嘅。我深信墨爾本天后宮將會有咁嘅機緣，亦都會有咁嘅能力去完成呢個所有嘅天后宮建設，以及呢個美麗嘅中國花園。請大家拭目以待。就喺我哋繼續追夢，繼續為天后宮建設、為 Footscray 市建設嘅時候，我就喺度期望，亦都希望所有善信一齊，大家繼續努力，一如以往，有錢出錢，有力出力，去完成呢個美麗嘅天后宮，以及呢個龐大嘅中國花園，將佢奉獻俾天后娘娘，奉獻俾所有過去、現在以及將來嘅善信，奉獻俾所有墨爾本嘅華人，奉獻俾 Footscray 嘅市，以及去豐富多元文化，俾所有我哋嘅澳洲同胞一起去分享以及欣賞呢啲美麗嘅中華文化以及中國古建築藝術。我就諗起一首美麗嘅唐詩，我依家就將佢讀出嚟，作為結束我今日嘅講詞。呢首美麗嘅五言絕詩，佢係咁樣寫嘅：白日依山盡，黃河入海流。欲窮千里目，更上一層樓。墨爾本天后宮將會，亦一定會更上一層樓。大家繼續努力。就喺今日，我哋慶祝第1066年嘅天后寶誕，我就喺度祈求天后娘娘保佑我哋工程順利，事事順利，亦都期望天后娘娘繼續賜福俾大家，使我哋共享神恩嘅浩蕩。多謝各位。
Councillor Pradeep Tiwari. Councillor Cook Lam, Pei Guichin, the Deputy Consul General of the People's Republic of China, Katerina De Montes from Western Health, honorary guest Maurice Gomez and his wife, community leaders, members, devotees of the Heavenly Queen Temple, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Heavenly Queen Temple's 1066th birthday. My name is Stephanie, and today I have the honor of delivering the President of the Heavenly Queen Temple, William Sang's speech in English. Over the past year, we have continued to promote the spirit and the teachings of the Heavenly Queen. We were honored to purchase the Springvale Mazu Temple from Ron Lim, allowing devotees living in Melbourne's southern eastern suburbs to worship closer to home and without needing to travel long distances to the Footscray Temple complex. In the last 12 months, we've also continued to build and expand the Heavenly Queen Temple in Footscray. As you can see outside, the long corridor is near completion, and we expect to hold the grand opening ceremony for this construction in September or October this year. Right now, we're also in the early stages of construction for a magnificent Guanyin temple dedicated to the Goddess of Mercy. This will be built at the rear of the main temple building to the right of me. As we continue building the long corridor and the Guanyin temple for the Goddess of Mercy, President William Sang has already begun planning another significant project for the Footscray Temple complex. Inspired by the beautiful Chinese garden known as the Chinese Garden of Friendship beside Sydney's Darling Harbour, in the near future, besides Melbourne's Maribyrnong River and next to the Heavenly Queen Temple complex, there will stand an equally beautiful Chinese garden, which we plan to call Heaven's Garden. The garden will feature a large fish and water lily pond, surrounded by a stone statue of the Goddess of Mercy, as well as a stone dragon boat with a traditional pavilion built on top. Alongside it, there will be a tea house designed in classical Chinese architectural style, and the garden is planned to feature weeping willows, pine trees, and many peaceful spaces for reflection and community gatherings. It is a major project, but as we have done before, we will continue to work together and we will make it happen. The Heavenly Queen Temple has always believed in giving back to the community. Today, we are very proud to donate another $10,000 to the Western Health Foundation as part of our long-term commitment to supporting local people and families in need. Our vision is to not only complete this beautiful temple complex, but to also ensure it continues to serve the wider community for generations to come. By growing and strengthening the temple, we hope to increase our charitable donations and support even more organizations like the Western Health Foundation and helping even more people throughout our community. We will continue to dream big, and with the ongoing support of our devotees and supporters, the government representatives, we will complete this beautiful temple complex in Footscray for all our devotees, for all the people who have supported us to date, and for all of those here today, for many generations to come. To mark this special occasion, President William Sang would like to share a traditional Chinese poem with everyone. When translated to English, it reads, "The sun sets in the far west, the yellow river flows into the sea. If one wishes to see 1,000 miles away, one must climb to the top of the tower so that one can see far and wide." This poem reminds us that to achieve great visions and to build a brighter future, we must continue to strive forward and aim higher together. Thank you so much again for coming to celebrate the Heavenly Queen's 1066th birthday with us today. And may Mazu bless you all with good health, good luck, and great prosperity for the rest of the year. Thank you so much.
將會將一張10000蚊嘅支票遞俾 Footscray 嘅 Hospital 服務發展嘅代表 Western Health Foundation 去接收呢一張支票㗎。
Today, we are proud to present a 10,000 donation check to the Western Health Foundation in support of services at Footscray Hospital. The check will be presented by Mr. William Zhang, President of the Heavenly Queen Temple Society, and received by Ms. Caterina De Montes on behalf of the Western Health Foundation.
而家有請墨爾本天后宮會長曾耀榮以及 Western Health Foundation 代表。跟住，咁我哋咧今日咧有請咗兩位重要嘅見證人，就係、我哋嘅陪副總領事同埋Councillor Purdy。Councillor Purdy 同埋
我哋天后宮過去10年都係每年有捐1萬蚊俾 Footscray Hospital。每年都捐1萬蚊俾 Footscray 嘅醫院，係傳承同埋弘揚天后媽祖救苦救難嘅精神。雖然我哋係捐1萬少少，但係我哋係聊表心意，因為依家我哋起緊好龐大嘅工程，所以冇辦法捐好多。等將來全部完成之後，我哋就會捐款俾墨爾本所有嘅主要醫院，呢個係我哋嘅宏願。請大家繼續支持天后宮，我哋一齊去完成呢個目標。而家有請 Western Health Foundation 嘅代表 Footscray 醫院接收支票，同埋去講幾句話。
Thank you, President William Tsang. It's an honour to be here on behalf of Western Health Foundation. To the distinguished guests and the Temple Society, thank you so much on this auspicious occasion for inviting me here today. Thank you for this very generous donation to Western Health Foundation. The Heavenly Queen Temple Society has been donating for over 10 years and are very generous supporters of the Western Health Foundation and Footscray Hospital, and it is an honour to be here today. And I would like to present President William Tsang with a certificate of appreciation. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
嗱，咁今日咧呢一個趁住呢個天后誕咧，咁我哋咧會長咧就喺度為咗感謝我哋之前嘅前理事咧，咁啊有一封少少嘅心意俾佢嘅。
我哋墨爾本天后宮全靠呢位龍永輝先生先至有今日。佢一路默默幾十年來，由1987年成立天后廟，一路到依家都係做理事，一路都默默咁樣守護住天后廟。依家佢年紀好大啦，我哋冇乜嘢俾佢，只係每次祈求天后媽祖繼續保佑佢身體健康、長命百歲。今日趁天后生日慶祝活動，我哋天后廟就俾佢一封細細嘅利是，作為感謝佢多年嚟嘅為天后廟作出無私嘅奉獻。請大家俾熱烈嘅掌聲龍永輝先生。